Action.
For some scenes in this episode, our camera decided to go crazy on us. If you're drinking along with us, it is not you, just our camera. Please enjoy.
Okay, so we're going to do Chinese New Year food.
When's the Chinese New Year?
February 16 at 16, I think.
Okay, February 16th.
Yes, the Chinese New Year. And so went online and looked at what food do you do for Chinese New Year. And there's like, some say 10, some say 7 lucky foods, so I went with the 7. I'm gonna make 4 of those. So
Some say 10, some say 7, we went with 4.
Yes,
All right.
This is our lucky Chinese New Year dinner.
All right.
I am going to make long noodle and dumplings. I think the dumplings are for wealth and the long noodles are for health. I may have that backwards, but I think those are the 2 that I picked.
I'm making a whole fish. I'm gonna try and make a whole fish.
Carp.
It is a carp, yes. I am also making egg rolls. I've never made either before, so this will be an adventure in cooking.
It'll be fun.
It'll be fun.
All right, what do we drink to?
To the bottom.
Woo!
Oh,
Let's cook.
Yeah. Let me just ask you a question.
how long does this have to broil? Like it should probably.
It's Korean.
Use the upper oven for the dumplings.
I don't need. Who bakes dumplings?
I don't make dumplings.
Oh.
Are you sure they're
We
Chinese?
have Chinese snacks. This is a Chinese trail mix.
It's Korean, stop back.
We have Chinese snacks here too. Like lip gloss.
Not bad.
Oh, seaweed stuff. It makes me think they're more Japanese, but they're Chinese, trust me. I do my chives and my...
Where are the oh, there they are.
Oh, we need music.
Do you want a raw spring roll? I guess all spring rolls are raw, right?
No, it is wrong. That's pretty.
That is really good, right?
Yeah. Eat it. Just eat it. Hey, your chopping skirting great. Hold on. Stop.
They look pretty good now.
A lot of fun.
Let's see how they hold up frying though.
Yeah.
I feel like we should almost double them up.
Are you frying them? Why are you frying them?
I'm frying them. You should.
Yeah, you know. And it's so beautiful. Look at the colors, the green and the orange carrot and the white of the chicken. It smells really good, actually. Oh, it's the oyster sauce. The mushrooms and the garlic and the chicken and the chives and the carrots and the mushrooms and the chicken and the chives, mixing it all up. Okay, now I'm gonna solicit help. Okay, well, first I'm gonna wash my hands. Drink is on the other side of the kitchen. Please and thank you.
That's all I am to them. I'm just the drink person.
5 spice would be a really good shortcut for this. But alas, I didn't think about it until now. But nothing that simple salt and pepper to just bring out the natural flavors can't cure.
That's why I like fishing more.
I know, right? Ah!
I got my boys to watch WWE wrestling so much, and it was like a 25-year anniversary, so they had a bunch of the old ones come back, stone cold, and I'm like,
I could smile. I might lay back for a while.
all it took for the boys. I was like, and that's it, and that's just, they didn't have. Say that again, Mom.
It's like
Don't tell me what to do. Monica! She told me to tell you to get them started on
Right now I'm going to set up the egg roll station to get everything in order to where I could just, you know, dip the wrap, then throw everything in and wrap it.
That's my chicken. What are you doing?
Use the wrong can.
No, I didn't.
Use the wrong can.
Why?
rum would have been better. Rum goes with sweet stuff, yeah.
I'm not your husband. I'm not your husband.
Adrian, where are your towels? How do you feel right now?
How do I feel right now?
Yes.
Sore? Sore and drunk?
All right.
I've got a good buzz going on.
Day today.
Color. Look, no, down here. Down. Look at the color. It looks so pretty, right? The green contrasting with the with the white.
Was gonna send it.
Yummy.
Alright, so we're doing a whole fish. Head and everything. So for the fish, I'm going to season it in simple salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic, but everything's going to be stuffed inside to want to keep it moist and to season it from the inside out. It was deepened and descaled at the store. Thank goodness. I don't think I could have handled it. But yeah, so I'm going to stuff everything with all these goodies and then it'll turn out pretty good.
Reset.
Lyle.
I will do. What do you need? I think it speaks for itself.
Looking at something, people can get by you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, so,
I went to Lidl like opening weekend and I stood in line for 30 minutes to check out. I was
so we've never been to Aldi.
I know, what is that? What is that?
I'll help you.
That's a fat cat right there.
There's a big fish.
There's shit in there. Get it out. Calm the fuck down. There's shit in the oven. Hey, clean out the oven.
Some Veronica would do.
What?
Yeah, it's very hot.
You guys didn't take that shit. I'm gonna stuff up.
Why is there stuff in your oven?
Storage, Monica's obviously storage. Just go with it.
Okay, good. The basic. They're all breaking, but they're still delicious.
So now they,
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Horrible, don't get it. Wow.
But she liked it.
we all prepared.